Hi everyone, got ourselves a fresh on the floor 2026 Road Glide Solo. It's be dark billiard gray in color, chrome finish. It's got the brand new fairing on it with the brand new W light. Turn signals are integrated right up there in the headlight. This will have 117 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. It's got ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control, the works. That big old 12.3-inch screen running the Skyline operating system. And we do also have a USB port in here as well. These bikes are Apple CarPlay compatible, and will have the ride modes as well. So you have a rain mode, road mode, and sport mode. This one being the Road Glide Solo, for obvious reasons. It has a solo seat. Coming around to the back side, got all LEDs back here as well, and they're flush mounted to the bags. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.